Ready to unlock a world of culinary delights delivered right to your doorstep? Or even become a delivery hero yourself in France? First, head over to the Uber Eats website, that's Uber.com, or download the Uber Eats app from your app store. Look for the option to create an account, usually labeled something like inscription or sign up. Tap or click on it. Now, you'll need to enter some basic information. This typically includes your full name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure your email is valid, as you'll need it to verify your account. Then, enter your phone number, making sure to select the French country code 33. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your delivery address. This is crucial so Uber Eats knows where to bring your delicious meals. Double check that it's accurate, including the building number, street name, and postal code. Now, time to add a payment method. You can choose from various options like credit cards, debit cards, or even PayPal. Enter your card details carefully and ensure they are correct. This is how you will pay for your Uber Eats orders. If you're interested in becoming an Uber Eats delivery partner, look for an option in the app or on the website that says something like Devenir Coursier or Become a Delivery Partner. Click on it. You'll need to provide additional information, such as your vehicle details, proof of insurance, and a valid driver's license. Follow the instructions carefully and upload all the necessary documents. Uber Eats will then review your application. And that's it. Once your account is set up, you can start browsing restaurants, placing orders, and tracking your deliveries. Or, if you're a delivery partner, you can start accepting orders and earning money. Bon app, a copyright tip, and happy delivering.